That is barbecue sauce, and it is all over me. So great way to. I taste good.
Yeah. Well,
if you look at my shirt.
What's today?
Today is New Year's Day.
Hey, man. Was picture Eugene. Just wondering what's going on.
So yeah, Matt sent a wonderful letter to me to send to the board.
Who's Matt?
Watkins, our attorney, who is willing to represent us pro bono.
I've been looking at your case and following you guys in the media and doing some research on my own because I support what you're doing. I think I have to give you a little bit of background about how the law is applied, but essentially to summarize a little bit, I think that the city, in applying the parks ordinance as they are against your organization, are breaking several provisions of both the state and the federal constitutions. I'm focusing more on the state constitution because Oregon has a proud history of affording the citizens of the state more rights under the state constitution than the federal constitution provides.
I had asked him to write that letter saying, could you state what the First Amendment rights are for both Oregon's Constitution and our federal Constitution? And he did, and I received that last night. It was lovely.
In particular, there are four provisions of the Oregon Constitution under their Bill of Rights that I think are affected by the application of the city code against your organization. Those are articles. Article 1 is the Bill of Rights. So sections 2, 3, 8, and in particular 26, which in a nutshell, 2 is the freedom of religion, 3 is the right of men, quote, it says men, to live according to their conscience. 8 protects free speech and prohibits the imposition of laws that restrict speech. And Article 1, Section 26 is very, very broad. It says that no law shall be passed that abridge the right of people to peaceably assemble to consult over the welfare of their community. And I think that one's the ringer for you guys, because what you're doing is essentially assembling to look out for the welfare and interests of your community.
Can you get back, sir?
Yeah. No problem. Just wondering what's up.
Hi, what can I help you with?
I just wondering what you guys are doing.
The amount of homelessness that has increased, the fact that they are actually terrorizing and traumatizing these people by moving them time after time after time instead of providing services is unfathomable to me.
Right.
So, but from our perspective, we want to hold their feet to the fire.
Now you got the cops sitting right there and they're watching us and making sure that we're actually moving and doing what we're wanting, doing what is being asked of us.
Did they tell you where you're supposed to go?
No.
That's always a tough one, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is, and we're just here to enjoy the breakfast and be like any other person who comes and eats here at the park.
In my opinion, I think they're going to continue to try to get you out of that park. I don't think mediation is going to get them to stop. I don't think begging them for a permit to do what you have a God-given right to do is going to get them to stop getting you out of the park. I think what you need to do is tell them, we're going to hit you in the purse strings, and we're going to hit you in the publicity realm, because it's very bad optics if the city goes in and starts issuing citations or making arrests for conspiracy to commit breakfast.
Thank you, Matt. This is extremely helpful. I've just, as a faith-based organization, do these protections apply to us?
I think they apply especially to you, because 2 of the provisions I talked to deal specifically with acting in accordance with your faith or your conscience. So yeah, I think the protections apply not only equally, but especially in that circumstance, because two of them are specific to those
I see.
subjects.
Thank you. That's helpful.
I think that we need to stand our ground, and they have asked if we were trying to make a political statement here, and we weren't. We are just trying to serve the homeless. But I don't want to be overrun in my efforts to serve the homeless.
Thank you so very, very much.
Yep, it's my pleasure, and we'll see. I mean, I'm willing to go the line for this one if you guys need me. So
Well, you've also encouraged me
We
to
do
go,
need him.
so I'm hoping I will get arrested.
Yeah.
puts you in good company. Ask Tim.
Yeah, well, about 30 times. It's not too bad. It's sort of fun.